I remember those days in like 20, well, all through, like I said, I started after Memorial Day 2013. So all through the second half of 2013, all through 2014 and into 2015, we were going literally everywhere in the country. Like as soon as we got wind that somebody wanted to try some Acti-Gel and something, we packed up and left and went to those
Mm-hmm.
people. It didn't matter.
How many times? How many times does TSA stop you with a bag of Acti-Gel in your suitcase?
Oh, yeah. Fun fact: if you go through TSA with a bag of Acti-Gel in your suitcase, it pops up as like human remains for some reason. I guess because it's like organic matter or something. But yeah, a big, big 12-pound bag of Acti-Gel looks like a human head apparently. So that's always fun.
Well, I
But
figured out what it really is. It actually looks like cremation dust.
ah,
R.I.P. Pops. When I had to bring his, this went dark. I had to bring his remains a couple months ago from Florida back up here to spread his ashes. I got popped at security. It was in my carry-on, and they're like, "Are these human remains?" Yes, they are. And they're like, "Okay, carry on."
right this way, Hannibal Lecter.
Yeah, and I was like, "Yeah, sorry, my dad." I just they were like, "Okay, bud, just carry on." So yeah, I learned that's why they kept thinking it was human remains on the TSA screen.